Today we're showing you a 2018 Massey Ferguson GC1710 tractor loader backhoe outfit. Comes with a quick attach DL95 front loader. Backhoe is a CB65 12-inch bucket. This tractor is practically brand new. It's got 0.7 hours on it currently. Model year is 2018, serial number ending in 84698. Got the power steering, hydrostatic transmission, diesel engine. Took this tractor on trade from another dealership. We are not a Massey dealership, so this tractor is technically being sold as a used tractor. The warranty started on March 23rd of 2018. Will come with the balance of the Massey Ferguson warranty. Any questions, please contact us.